For these bench test examples, we've not needed to enable security, but for most real installations you may want to consider it, so let's take a look at what protection it provides and how to set it up. Enabling security protects against unwanted access to the controller's web interface by unauthorized users on the local network. Security is a property of the controller. There are 3 different levels of security available, and 3 different ways to modify these settings. The first option is to enable security during the new project helper. Here, Express asks us to create a username and set a password. This will be a user with full admin rights. After this, when we select the controller, we're automatically logged in. If we log out, or open the project again, we log in using this button. The software can be used without authenticating, but uploading a project or configuring the controller requires a user with admin permissions to be logged in. Once logged in, we can view, edit, and remove users. Click the Add button to create a new user. Again, a username and password is required, and you can set their access levels. These are the different permission levels available. We can also configure the guest user. Here, we're configuring the guest user account for read-only access of the controller's web interface. Now, let's go to the controller's web interface and see how it looks. We set the guest user to status view only, so without logging in, we have read-only access to view the controller and playback status, but no ability to make any changes or control the project. If we try to perform any action or visit other pages, we'll be asked to log in. Now, let's log in as a user with control permissions. This user can recall scenes and access more pages. Sign-in events are noted in the log, and only a user with control permissions can clear the log. A user with control permissions can't access the controller's configuration pages. Finally, if we log in as a user with full admin permissions, we can access all pages on the web interface and make configuration changes. Further down the page, there's an overview of existing users. From here, we can edit users and modify their permissions. A user with admin permissions can disable security using the web interface, or via the controller configuration settings in Express software. So, to recap, security should be initialized when the controller is used for the first time. This can be done in 3 places: in the new project helper, by configuring a controller from within the software, or via the web interface. When enabling security, a new user is created with admin permissions. Additional users can be added in Express software, via controller configuration settings, and on the web interface. This is also where security can be disabled. Now you know how to secure your controller.